Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the pharmacy technician exam. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and content areas. This includes understanding the percentage of questions dedicated to each topic, like pharmacology or pharmacy law. Next, assess your current knowledge to pinpoint subjects where you need more focus. Finally, collect all necessary study guides, textbooks, and practice questions to build a solid foundation for your preparation. Developing an effective study plan is crucial for success. Allocate specific times each day or week to cover different topics, ensuring you don't cram. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing the hundreds of drug names, their uses, and classifications. Don't forget to dedicate significant time to dosage calculations. Consistent practice will improve both your accuracy and speed, which are vital during the actual exam. Regularly taking full-length practice exams is key to simulating the actual test environment. Make sure to time yourself to get comfortable with the pace. After each practice test, meticulously review every question you answered incorrectly. Understand why you made the mistake and what the correct answer is. Collaborating with a study group can also provide new perspectives and clarify difficult topics, enhancing your overall understanding. On the day before your exam, prioritize getting a full 8 hours of sleep to ensure you are well rested and alert. Plan to arrive at the testing center at least 30 minutes early, bringing all necessary identification documents. During the exam, take a deep breath, stay calm, and read every question and all answer choices thoroughly before selecting your response. Trust your preparation and do your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.